Hi guys, it's the 8-bit Music Chicken here, and welcome to the 8-bit Music Chicken gaming show. If you saw last week's episode, you'll know that we were doing Super Nintendo versus Megadrive with the help of my friend here, Rhys. But then, at the end, we were undecided which games were the better on both consoles. So, to decide that, we went down to the mascots of both systems, Sonic the Hedgehog
and Super Mario.
We've both picked two games that we really like off on these series that are on these systems. I've picked Sonic the Hedgehog 2.
And I've picked Super Mario World. Shut up, I know this isn't the cartridge.
Now let's start this. The 5 points we're comparing them are controls, graphics, music, level design, and boss battles. So let's get this started.
Well, we're going to start with my opinion, the most important part of the game, the controls. You want to feel like you're in control, like it says, and also it's nice and springy. You don't want to feel like your character just falls off a cliff for no apparent reason.
Both of these games have great controls. I'd say they're both near perfect, but I am going to have to say, despite how much I love Sonic the Hedgehog, that Mario has always had really fluent controls, and it goes over to the Super Nintendo perfectly and plays on Super Mario World really well.
Well, I do think that Sonic has great controls, but in my opinion, they can be a bit floaty and have a bit too much momentum sometimes. I know that's the point of Sonic, to go fast, but they can just feel like you're going way too fast sometimes and you have no idea what you're doing.
You're too slow.
Shut up. But anyway, Mario's controls are tight and they really, really are perfect. You always know where your character's going to go and you always know whether you're going to fall off a cliff. It's your fault.
So, Mario wins this point. Go Super Mario World. The second point is graphics. And the graphics on Sonic the Hedgehog 2 are just amazing. Bright and colourful, and they're really varied from which zones you're going on. From Emerald Hill Zone to Chemical Plant, it's always great to look at.
Oh, I do really agree, but Super Mario World does have amazing graphics too. It's colourful, it's vibrant, but there's one thing which I really can't get away from. The Sonic graphics just have a bit more variation with the different places you go, from natural roaming hills to industrial plants. It's just a bit more varied and I think a bit better, in my opinion.
Yeah, that's a good point. So with blast processing, Sonic the Hedgehog 2 wins this point.
Does blast processing even exist?
No. The next point is level design. And Sonic the Hedgehog 2 has superb level design and has a ton of loop-the-loops, a ton of rings to collect. It's just great and a joy to play on.
But Super Mario also has really good level design and really clever level design. I think that's what cinches it. It tells you how to play the game without really actually telling you the controls. And for a game to do that, that is superbly and brilliantly clever.
Yeah, I agree. And as much as I hate to say it, I do think that Mario has better level design.
But you should not discredit Sonic's level design. It is still absolutely amazing.
Yeah, so Super Mario World wins this one. The next point is music. Try and argue this one, Rhys. Emerald Hill Zone, Chemical Plant. Oh my god, the Sonic the Hedgehog 2 soundtrack is amazing. It's fast-paced and it has some of the best music in gaming.
I really have to agree on this one. No music, I think, can beat it. It is so fast-paced and fits the game so well. But Super Mario World still has good music. It suits the themes of the level well, and also is quite catchy. But Sonic has much catchier music, so I must admit Sonic the Hedgehog 2 wins this one.
Yes.
Curse that blue hedgehog. All your gameplay leads up to this point. They are the biggest battles you'll ever have. The bosses.
Yeah.
Bowser for Super Mario and Dr. Eggman for Sonic. I'm just gonna throw this out there. I think Sonic's are a bit better, a bit more creative than Bowser.
Yeah, I agree with Rhys. It gets a bit boring after hours, jumping over Bowser, collecting the axe, making him fall in lava, blah blah blah. And with Sonic, you get to fight Dr. Robotnik's great creations. Well, some of them may be a bit easy, like the first one for instance, where you just have to jump on this car over and over again. But then it gets so much better as the game progresses, and I think Sonic the Hedgehog 2 should easily win this one.
Eggman or Robotnik? Which one isn't?
Well, technically, oh, I see what you're saying. That's a discussion for another time. But anyway, Sonic the Hedgehog wins this point. So, Sonic the Hedgehog 2 wins and beats Super Mario World 3 points to 2.
Well, you say that, I disagree. But I'm just gonna leave it for the sake of a video. But you should play both of these games. They're both fantastic examples of platformers. But also bear in mind that this is just Super Mario World and Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Different games of these series have different high points and low points. Sonic 06, for example.
But also, I love Super Mario World. I'm a big fan of Mario.
And I'm a big fan of Sonic. The blue blur is very, very quick.
Yep, you can say that again. So, thank you for joining me with these two videos, Rhys. It's been a pleasure.
And thank you for having me, Byron.
See you guys.
Goodbye, the internet.